Look, here's a birdie. Look. Oh, there he goes. There's one right there. Oh, there he goes. What do you think? Gregory, what do you think? Oh, here's another one. Look.
That's the first time she's actually let one sit on her hands. All right, come on, let's throw that away. There's no more left on the table. And you gotta wash
You see another bird?
Throw it in that trash can.
Yeah. Oh, look, Gray. Here, here's another one.
Can we get some more food on?
Suction bird.
Uh-oh.
So, put that stick in there, girl.
What are you thinking? Look at those birds. Is that a bluebird?